Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to connect SR01 with door phone. And all door phones and access controls support using with security relay, except for X9, 1, 6, E11, E21, E20, A094, and A092. We'll need a security relay, an electromagnetic door lock, 2 power adapters, and a door phone. In this video, we use X912 as an example. Here is the wiring diagram. For the wiring, the security relay is connected to the door phone via RS485. RS485 corresponds to the server mode of security relay on the door phone's web interface that we will configure later. Insert the lock's positive cable into SR01's NC port. Then, twist the lock's negative cable with the negative cables of a power adapter. And insert the power adapter's positive cable into COM port of SR01. Next, connect SR01's 12-volt port and GND port with the power adapter. Insert the RS485A cable into the corresponding interface of SR01 and the door phone. And do the same to the RS485B cable. Give the connection a tug to make sure it is strong. Energize SR01. The green light flashing slowly means the SR01 working normally. Then, power on the door phone. Then, configure this feature on the device web interface. Log into the web interface with the default username and password, admin. Go to Access Control, Relay, Security Relay. Because the security relay is connected to the door phone via RS485 ports, we tick the enabled box of Security Relay B whose server mode is RS485. Click Submit to save the configuration. Then, to add a card, go to Directory, User. Click Add. Enter username and go to RF card. Enter the card code or place the card on the card reader area and click Obtain. Click Add if you want to assign more than one card to a user. Click Submit to save the configuration. Swipe the fob on the door phone, and you can see the SR01's green light flashing quickly. That means the security relay is triggered. Thank you for watching.